So I just read this article the other day about retail therapy, and I was surprised to find that shoes are only the third most popular item for women to buy.
Retail therapy? What's that?
That's when people shop to pick up their spirits.
Oh, okay. Wait, you're serious?
Yes, of course. Don't you find shopping fun?
Well, I don't really know, but tell me more about this article. What do women like to shop for?
So in this article, they found that the top 5 things women like to shop for are clothes, shoes, food, accessories, and reading materials.
Ooh, I like to shop for food. I love to cook, so.
See, retail therapy.
I see what you're saying.
Oh, I have an idea. How about we do a survey to find out the difference between men and women? How many shoes do you have in your closet?
Let's see, I have like 5 pairs.
5? Wow. I think I have about 12. But then again, there's those pairs that I haven't worn. Oh, and those pairs that I just bought, so 18.
That's a lot of shoes. Well, look, anyway, we have 2 data points. Let's see if we can collect some more.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So what's your name?
My name is Joe.
Andy, nice to meet you. So how many shoes do you own? How many pairs of shoes do you own?
I have about 6 pairs of shoes at home. Like, well, about 9.
9?
About 9 pairs of shoes.
Thank you so much for taking the survey.
We did pretty well. We surveyed 35 men and 40 women.
And I drew the histograms to visualize the data. Let's take a look.
Okay, so the men's data is skewed to the right. You see how it stretches down out to the right?
And from the men we surveyed, they had between 5 and 10 pairs of shoes.
But what about the women?
The women's data is a little more symmetric, but it's a little hard to tell for sure from the histogram.
Okay, well, let's look at a box and whisker plot to see if it's easier to visualize.
This is a lot clearer. See, the left whisker is the same length as the right whisker. This data is symmetric.
And the range of pairs of shoes owned is different. It's 19 for women and only 15 for men.
So there's more variability among women than among men.
That's true, but for both men and women, more than half the people we surveyed fit into a narrow range of shoes owned. See, it's 12 to 17 for women.
And 5 to 10 for men.
So, what does this tell us?
It's pretty clear to me. If I wanted to open up a shoe store, I would attract a lot more women customers than men.
Well, I wonder what the data is like for other types of retail shopping, like food.
I remember from the article I read that food was pretty high on the list for both men and women. So I would expect the data to be more similar.
Well, now I'm curious and hungry. There's only one way to find out. Do you want to go out and collect some more survey data?
No, you go. My feet are still a little sore from the last outing. I think I'll do a little more retail therapy and shop for comfortable shoes instead.
Okay.